Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the car bodies from flat panels. Cut 2 identical side profiles and a base per car. Use a straight edge and a utility knife to keep edges clean, and score fold lines shallowly so bends stay crisp. Once done, assemble with tabs glued or taped. This keeps structure rigid and lightweight. Make sure to reinforce high-stress areas like coupler mounts and wheel wells with an extra cardboard layer to prevent sagging during movement. Next, you craft the chassis and wheel assemblies so the train runs true. Laminate wheel discs for stiffness and drill precise axle holes so rotation is smooth. Mount axle blocks square to the base, checking alignment against a straight reference to avoid binding. Once axles are in, test each wheel set by rolling the car along a flat surface and reshim if it drags. Make sure to glue axle blocks firmly and add small washers or caps to keep wheels from sliding off. Finally, you attach couplers, finish surfaces, and run tests to complete the cardboard train. Couple cars with flexible connectors that allow slight vertical and lateral movement so corners won't derail them. Paint or seal exterior to stiffen fibers and protect from moisture, and add small internal weights to improve tracking if cars tip. Once done, run the train slowly over the entire intended route, observe problem spots, and address them. If a car binds or derails, recheck axle alignment and coupler height first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.